So this AI tool gets me 1000 plus web search clicks. I'm gonna teach you how in this video. So basically we're gonna research using Semrush and also automate SEO blog articles using our AI. Now I'm just gonna go through step by step, but if you want a complete detailed guide, you can book a one-on-one call with me and I will exactly show you. I will even give you the 10% coupon code and I will give you the tutorials to SEO and every single thing and also overview of this dashboard entirely in a one-on-one personalized call. You can book, the link will be in the description. Alright, first let me go into the Semrush and click on keyword magic tools because that's our magic tool, of course. Now let me just go to the Twitter because Twitter is very fast at catching the trending topics. So let's just say I go to the explore and I pick a topic. So let's just say Bitcoin drops low. So I want to write a article on it. But before that, I want to see what are the keywords which has a low. So let's just say low keyword difficulty and high volume. So let me just hit the search. So this is very broad. That's why you are not seeing any results. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on all keywords. Okay, this is also too broad and yep, so we are getting some keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the keyword difficulty to very easy and also intent. I'm going to skip the navigational as always, and so let me just go from 0 to maybe 50. Apply, and we have got the keywords right. So why is Bitcoin going down today? So this is a very good keyword, and also XRP crypto sell off. So all these keywords, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go into the, let me pick one keyword. I like this one, which has a volume of 1600, but keyword difficulty is very low. So let me just filter this keyword difficulty to low to high, and let me see the search volume. Okay, Solana Cardano XRP price drop. Let me select this keyword and copy. Yep. So I have copied this keyword and go back to the URL. Now here what you can do is basically you can also track LLM. You know how your keywords are performing in LLM, and also get the SEO reports and site optimizers, auto blog automation as well. You can also purchase backlinks. So what I'm going to do is go to the, okay, cool. So click on SEO article. So basically these three features we have, which is you can, if you select the YouTube, you can enter the URL, it will be converted. It will take the whole transcript and convert into a blog post. A news article, you input a query, it will search for related trending news topics and replicate the blog articles. And basically I want an SEO article, so let me just go here and input a keyword, and okay, we have got the keyword. So let me just leave the title as blank, click on add keyword, and once you add keyword, it's gonna take me to another page where this is like a lobby where you can customize everything. So if I click on edit input, you have a lot of customizations right here. The focus keyword, you can also add as many focus keywords. Basically the article will be centered around this keyword. So let me just put this one, an article title. You can also give a custom title. I can also generate title. So if I simply click generate title, it will write an SEO optimized title. I can also go on and add keywords by getting all these keywords from here to here. So let me just go to the outline. I don't need any outline. And content, yeah, it should target a US country, and tone of voice, everything, knowledge, connect to web, formatting, structure, internal linking, and make sure guys, you should turn on automatic external links. Make sure this is on. So that's it. And images, you can also customize the images. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the featured image off because I'm going to customize my own featured image myself. And the number of article in images, let me put this one. So even the image provider, you can choose the stock photos or customized premium images. Okay, cool. So save changes, and the last option after customization is click on generate article, and that's it. Your blog article will be done. Now in order to learn how to automate entirely, you can book a one-on-one call with me and I'll entirely give you a personal guidance. I will even help you connect the Urbo AI to your WordPress or whatever the platform you're using to automate. So is generating, the article is generating, so let's just wait. Alright, right now you can see it has completed the article. Now what I can do is I can simply click on view article and you will have the entire article right here. Now what I can do is I can simply click on open. So when I click on open, it will open the AI editor. Now this is inside the RWOW itself and it is very useful. Let's just say you don't like this paragraph. So what you can do is you can select and ask it to rewrite, ask AI, and you can also add keywords and also add external links. If I simply click on add external links, it will show me if there are any possible ways to add an external link. Now I can manually select this one and external links. See, this is a very good feature and I can directly publish my article into whatever the hosting I'm using. I can also add thumbnail and meta description, focus keyword, and also I can select the tag if the integration is good. So with that said, book a call with me, book a one-on-one call with me, and I'll help you connect this, and maybe I'll even give you the coupon code where you can get a discount to this too.